So in the last video, we got to understand the basic idea, the core idea of confidence interval. So now we know that in this area, in this range, 95% of X bar are leaving. So we can make a range again. So let's just summarize what I just said in words into real notations. So the probability that we will find the X bar values in this range is 95%, right? And we got the probability from the standard normal distribution. So anyway, so it is this range. So the probability that X bars to live in between this range, in this range, is 95%, right? So we got to this level, but we know that if we subtract or add or multiply when it's not minus, it's the same exact same thing. Like the range doesn't change, you know. So it doesn't matter actually, and I know that is this inequality is focused on X bar here, but just because we are curious and we are very we're wanting to know about the mu here, which is the parameter of the population. So we're gonna subtract and add in this range, in this inequality, to make it focused to mu, which is the parameter of population. So we want to locate this mu into here, because we know that this is the main character's sit. I mean main character chair, let's say. So first we subtract the mu in the inequality, then it'll be something like, and this disappear because we subtracted, and it'll be X bar minus mu, and also would be something like this. It's exactly the same inequality because we subtracted the same value, and we want mu to be alone in this main character place chair, so we want to subtract X bar to make it disappear. So again, it would be something like this, and minus X bar, and minus mu, and minus X bar, like this. And yeah, now we succeed to locate mu in the center, but it's kind of uncomfortable to see that because there's a negative notation in front of it. So we're going to multiply -1 into the inequality, and it would be something like, because this whole thing changes, and when we multiply negative value, the inequality, the direction changes. So this value will come here, so it would be minus z alpha and standard arrow, and plus X bar, and it would be just mu, right? And standard arrow and X bar. So yeah, this is the final form of confidence interval. So it was based on the idea that if we do the exactly same work into the inequality, then the range actually doesn't change. So we made it into the inequality focused on mu from the inequality which focused on the x bar, because we are interested in the parameter of population. So this is what it actually means, why it looks like this. I mean, the confidence interval. And this was what I was curious about when I studied this part of statistics. Yeah, so the track, which was named 2CI, is officially over. And I may put one or two videos that like to correct my mistake, or if I have anything to add or like make the better video, because I always make videos at night after my day. So like I have to admit that maybe for some days like the quality is not even. So yes, but officially this track is over, and thank you for watching. For the ones watching this video in the future, all the best for you.